Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have a new mascara that has hit the drugstore and it's supposed to be fabulous. So we are trying this out today and we're testing it out and that will be the video. So this is the new L'Oreal False Lash X Fiber. This is a double-ended mascara. You have a primer on one side and the mascara on the other side. If you watch my channel, you know I'm a big fan in primers. I really do think they make a difference in the way your lashes look. So I'm online. I don't have the packaging to this, so I can't really read the back. So it's their first black primer and fiber infused mascara system for extreme volume and length. So that's it. Apparently it's washable, and I don't have a waterproof version, it's just the regular. I know some people don't love fiber mascaras, but I'm one of those people who don't mind them. It says it's a two-step mascara system with the maximum fiber concentration for extreme volume and length. First, prime lashes with black primer to build instant volume and depth on each lash. Next, apply fiber-infused mascara with 20 times more lengthening fibers for extreme length, up to 7 times more volume versus Super Original, the other mascara that they carry. Okay, so the first step, I'm going to curl the lashes. Okay, so the first step is a primer. Now this is unique because it's not white. Most primers are white. This one is black. So this is what the primer looks like. It basically looks like just like a mascara. It is black and the brush seems to be like a normal mascara brush. Let's give it a go. You won't put the flame out, you can't get to me. Say what you want to say, go take it all away. So here is the primer. I think it looks really good. It just looks like a really nice mascara. My lashes are very long and they're separated and it wasn't messy to apply, so I really am liking the primer. It's looking pretty damn good. Okay, so next we have number 2, step 2, which is the fiber mascara. So this brush is different. I thought it'd be looking like this. I thought it would look the same, but it doesn't. So this is more of a curved brush, and you can see the fibers when you pull out the mascara. You can see them on the brush. So this is one coat of the fibers, and then this is just step 1 as the primer. That's one coat of the mascara. Pretty nice. It has volume, has length. I don't see extreme length yet. I'm gonna do one more coat, see what happens, but I'm not seeing like massive and extreme length. So I don't know. Let's try it one more time. I had a little bit of the fibers, just a tiny bit, fall down on my face. Not many though, just a couple. And I just swept them away and they just went away. So let's do the bottom lashes. I'm going to do the primer and then I'm going to go in with the number 2 side. I like the primer just by itself. I don't even need the mascara. It's good enough. So let's try it for the purpose of the video. I'm just tapping it. I really don't want to wiggle it through just because my lashes are so long that I don't want them to transfer on my down here, so. Okay, so this is the finished result. I'm super happy with the way they look. Check it out. Very, very full, fluffy. That's the difference between this mascara I'm finding and other ones, is that my lashes to me look super full and fluffy. Okay, so this will be the end of my video. I have really good things to say about this mascara. First of all, I love how it's a 2-step. I do like that. I know some people think that's a pain in the ass, and I totally get it. If you have screaming children and you do not have time, I understand that you don't want to do a 2-step mascara. I get it. I think that these mascaras are just for certain people looking for a 2-step, which is always me. I'm extra. What can I say? So, step 1, I really like how it is black. I do like that because with some white primers, sometimes I have a hard time. I have to really go over them to cover the white. And then sometimes your lashes end up looking a little bit gray, not like overly black because the white is really strong. So I do like the fact that it's black. It's easy to cover, no problem. I love the way my lashes look. But I was expecting, to be quite honest with you, some crazy length. Like I was expecting my lashes to like just be the longest I've ever seen. I tried out the super, I think it was the red one from them, and I feel like my lashes were longer on that one, but this one is more fluffy. But I was expecting like crazy long lashes. My lashes definitely are long, but not like crazy long. So if you're looking just to buy this for like the crazy length, I don't know, this kind of gives you a little bit of evenness of length and volume. But the one word that I can describe my lashes with would be fluffy. My lashes look fluffy. They look full and fluffy, almost like I put a pair of fake eyelashes on. So I'm really liking the way they look. I will wear it throughout the day. I'll let you know if I'm having any flaking. I am a contact wearer. I did not have any problems with the little fibers sticking onto my contacts. I will let you know though throughout the day if anything happens, but so far I can tell you that I really do like this mascara. I like the way my eyelashes look, and I definitely would recommend it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.